What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Webbskiii. I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Today we're here to react to Spice. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? Tape measure. We're here to tap in. Y'all know what I'm supposed to give y'all this video, but a nigga like been busy. You know what I'm saying? But shit been getting back on track. We doing what we have to do. And now a nigga, US citizen. You know what I'm saying? We lit in the bit. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate all y'all niggas that show love and support. You know what I'm saying? This shit just gonna go to another level now. Like for real. Like we really taking it there. We could do whatever, whenever, however. You feel what I'm saying? Nigga big lit now. You feel me? So without further ado, let's get to the motherfucking videotape measure and see what Spice talking about. Cause I heard this shit was going on with some craziness, dog. So run up. You know it's on the message down. I love it. The ear though. Webbskiii. Yeah, Webbskiii. Got it, nigga. We got it, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Forward. Let's see what she at top, boy. There. Buckler, big engine, dog. You feel me? Measure up, tape measure, you see? Spice. I don't know the chops, you see? Measure.
Tape to the measurement.
Alright.
Measure.
Alright.
Tape to the measurement.
She said inches.
Measurement.
Like that.
Length on the tape measurement. 8 of the 9 of the reach for the 10. Body length of the long to the tape measurement.
You hear that? She said for long like the tape measurement. Oh my god. Like that. Everyone say we the bitch. I say Spice. I love the energy, my nigga. You been dropping from that day. Your fans love me and I love your fans too. You guys, I love your fans too and I love you too. You know what I'm saying? We go crazy. Tape measure is one of the hottest shit right now. So, you know what I'm saying? We here to get it. Cause I love y'all niggas and I know y'all niggas been waiting on that motherfucking video. Word.
30mm if you want enter in a me middle center. Money you need a big round the perimeter. Long like 25 centimeter. Down to the length of me tape measurement. If it's smaller than little then I can me prevent. Long till it bend, beefy make it bend. If you live in a me hole then you have to pay rent.
Oh my God, you say if you live in that hole then you have to pay rent. And then I say, hey, tape measure. You see me? I said tape measure. Oh my God. Okay, Spice, talk your shit though. Let them know how go on. I'm to them.
Tape measure. Tape to the measurement. Money you have to fit the length on the tape measurement.
Yeah.
Take advice on the queen. Body you feel long to the bed. Get lean when you see me bend it over. You feel put it in. Mix up the magnum with a little spirulina. If you want give me pleasure, why if you walk with a long tape measure?
You hear that? You have to walk with a long thing that a 3 foot you have to have here. You have to have 3 foot, not 2. You get what I say? I'm there. Hey, you have to walk with a tape measure. That's just making no call. If you live in that world, you have to pay rent and all them things. You hear Mrs. Spice? So come out there with a tape measure talk about yo, you have. You know what I'm saying? What? Me not gonna repeat it. You know what I'm saying? But me like the energy. But what? Oh shit. God, I ruin. For real.
Measurement, body you have to fit the length on the tape measurement. 8 of the 9 of the reach for the 10. Body length of the long to the tape measurement. But if you more than 230mm, if you want enter in a me middle center. Body you need a big round the perimeter. Long like 25
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I like her chorus them. If you know what I'm saying, her chorus them they coming back, but you don't be realizing sometimes. So it's like shit's so fire how she be sinking it. Isn't me? I tape measure going like that. Let me know what y'all think about this shit. Why she doing shit like this? You know what I'm saying? Trying to draw niggas out. Like, you know what I'm saying? She trying to say size matter now. That's what she trying to say. Let me know in the comment section, my nigga. I love y'all niggas. This shit fire. You know what I'm saying? Spice always gonna tee up. That's our queen. You feel me?
If you live in a me hole, then you have to pay rent. Tape
Measure.
down to the number on the tape measure.
Caution.
Tape measurement.
Tape measurement. Tape measurement. Reaching on me, get the she bend. You see me a giant blood clot, big bends. Press out the bus, then me reach pan the ends. Told me I reach, pussy them dead. I know say the accuracy, precision, tape measurement. Blood clot. Just say it like that, dog. You don't know, so we're always hot. The funny thing like that. You see me, I say, Webbskiii outside, subscribe to the channel if you leave a like that, bro. Love y'all niggas, y'all know what we do, man. Turn up. tape measure, you feel what I'm saying? Leave it like down below. I love y'all niggas. The videos gonna come back very consistent, you feel what I'm saying? Shit don't change, my nigga. I love y'all niggas. I love doing this shit because, you know what I'm saying? This is me, and I ain't gonna change me for nobody, see? You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, though. Tape measure. Let me know what y'all think. I love y'all niggas. For all the females, hey. White tape measure. Yeah, that's it. Say, that will fit the length on the tape measurement. That's it. Bumbo clad. That one, go on. Yo, subscribe to the channel if you new. Leave a like down below. Let me know what y'all think. If you know what I'm saying. We got more bangers on the way. That's just spice for right now. You know what I'm saying? More videos on the way. So just stay tuned. Stay tapped in. Y'all know what we do. It's your boy Ski Gang. Join it. Love y'all niggas. More videos on the way. Grrr, bow. Tape measurement. Chip. Yeah. I kid. I kid, yeah, we have it here.